On a night when most of the region was holding its breath, Iran launched Operation True Promise 3, a massive and unprecedented retaliation that has sent shockwaves far beyond its borders. The Iranian military fired approximately 200 surface-to-surface missiles and deployed over 100 armed drones, raining destruction on more than 150 carefully chosen Israeli targets. These weren't random strikes. They were precise, calculated, and chilling in their intent. At the top of Iran's hit list were three major Israeli air bases: Nevatim, Tel Nof, and Ovda, sites deeply embedded within Israel's air defense and nuclear command systems. According to satellite footage and on-ground damage assessments, all three bases suffered structural damage, sparking fires and triggering emergency protocols. The very heart of Israel's military infrastructure was exposed, if only for a moment. The strike came just hours after Israeli warplanes carried out air raids inside Iranian territory, targeting what they claimed were strategic intelligence and supply hubs. But Iran's response was not just revenge. It was a public display of power, capability, and rage. Brigadier General Amidi Vahidi, a senior figure in Iran's military high command, addressed the nation and the world with a grim warning. This was a controlled response, not the final one. Israel must prepare for heavier consequences if it continues its aggression. His voice was steady, but the words carried the weight of something far more ominous. As the sun rose, Israeli rescue units scrambled to treat the wounded and recover bodies from the rubble. 3 people were confirmed dead, and over 75 injured. Hospitals near affected zones were overwhelmed. Airspace was closed. Panic spread across neighborhoods that had once felt shielded by Israel's formidable Iron Dome system, a system that, this time, was pushed to its limit. Behind the military confrontation lies a much deeper crisis. Intelligence agencies in the US, Russia, and Europe are on high alert. Analysts believe that the Fateh 110 missiles used in the attack, and the Shahid drones, now infamous from other regional conflicts, show that Iran's technological warfare capabilities are evolving at an alarming pace. These aren't weapons of a rogue faction. They are battlefield tools of a nation preparing for something far larger. In Tel Aviv, cabinet members held emergency sessions behind closed doors. In Tehran, military celebrations were broadcast live.